Okay, so right now I'm working on this refrigerator, our refrigerator. I'm putting on some black and white marble tiles. Sorry, wallpaper tiles actually. And this is how it's coming out. Later on, once I finish, I'll show you the results. But it's coming out good. I took out the handles and I spray painted it silver. So it's downstairs drying. I gotta put more around it, so it's coming out awesome. This is how it's looking so far. But it's gonna look awesome once I put it on my kitchen. So yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so I'm done building my refrigerator. Look how awesome it looks. It looks really, really, really cool right here. Never seen a refrigerator like that, right guys? Well, my wallpaper art that I've done made it look official. And this is how the whole kitchen looks. It looks really nice now. So this is how my kitchen looks now. Got a nice refrigerator. I pimped it out. And this is how everything looks in the dark. So can't see nothing. Just turn this on. It looks better. So yeah, it looks awesome. Yeah. Got everything down packed, everything nice and clean. Let's see, this is how our old kitchen looks now. Looks awesome now, so yeah. A lot of music here. But other than that, yeah, the refrigerator looks awesome. My wife loves it. She was like, wow, you should start doing some refrigerators for people. I don't know, maybe I'll get the wallpapers and start designing refrigerators for people. And it looks really neat. And I organized the refrigerator as well. Got some goodies down here. Got a lot of bottles of waters. Got lots of bottles of water down there. Some Popeye chickens from yesterday. Got some whole bunch of goodies. This right here is awesome. That's that new brisk. We got some goodies over here as well. Got some cereals up here. We got some good stuff in here. Some hot dogs in there. And this ain't the only refrigerator we have. We have like 2 more other refrigerators. Which right here. We have this refrigerator as well. With some milk. We got sandwiches in there. We got another refrigerator here with TV dinners and all that stuff. And in our room, sorry it's too dark. In our room we have another refrigerator right here. We have some apple juice, stuff for the baby. I gotta stock up something from here. Got some sodas. And up here we got a lot of like Hot Pockets and stuff. We got a lot of Hot Pockets. A whole freezer full of Hot Pockets. And it's awesome. Right here I'm watching my show. But my monkey's sleeping. They're sleeping there. And yes, I'm sorry that it was too dark. Let me go shut on this light. There goes my baiter, my blue baiter. And right here we have my turtle. I just gave him a whole stack of letters earlier. So yeah, he's having fun in there eating a whole bunch of letters. Yeah, it's my son's car. And we're preparing for Saturday to have another barbecue. Got the charcoals here. It's gonna be awesome. And right now I'm working on this closet as well, because I'm trying to stock everything up. And I'm trying to have all our little supplies in here. I built some shelves in here as well. So I'm trying to fix this closet little by little. Yeah, other than that. But for now, yeah, this is our kitchen. It started to look awesome. Back view. And yeah. And this is our crazy living room, which looks official as well. Everything looks organized and neat. And all my art supplies. And got some stuff in here on the table which I gotta clear out. It was my son's birthday, so we have a whole bunch of balloons everywhere. So yeah, so there you go. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and